Watch us attempt to make the dollar store skeleton candles. All right, so I'm letting the kids pick out whatever color they want from my eye candy supply. If you guys want to get some eye candy, use this promo code right here. I'm letting them pick out one color because we started out with white candles, and these are the colors that they picked. And this is the stuff that we got from the dollar store. We grabbed some bowls. And then my girl got the wicks from Amazon. Everything that I use, I'll link down below that I can. Otherwise, you're going to have to go to the dollar store to get this stuff. So first we started out by handing all of the kiddos a bowl. They each got their own bowl, and then they got their own skeleton. And these skeletons are like not flexible at all. So we just like ripped the legs off them and let them put them however they wanted. Here's Imani's. That's what she wanted. And here's Ari's. I think hers looked like one of the things for like if someone was going down a roller coaster or something, she wanted arms up, legs up. So there we are. We're going to hot glue everything into the bowl. And you're supposed to use 16 ounces for one of these bowls, but I think we ended up using 12. So 2 candles is like 12 or 14 ounces, something like that. So we put the skeletons in a little bit deeper than some of the rest of them. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and add our pigment powders. I just added a scoop to each of the candles. And now that I know like that it kind of gets a little bit lighter at the end, I probably would have put more pigment powders. We're adding some oils into them, and this is going to give them the scent. So there was like vanilla. This one is vanilla she wanted. And then we have apple was Kaylani's. And yep, letting the kids mix. I was so scared that the candles were gonna like spill on the table. This is the crazy table under here. If you don't know about the crazy table, I'm about to do a full YouTube video build on that. But look at how satisfying that looks. I definitely would have added more pigments. So you basically melt all the candles down in a tub of water. So we put a big old pan of water on the stove, let the candles melt down, pulled the wicks out, and then poured them into these bowls. Now there's wicks. You see those shish kebab sticks? The wicks, the new wicks are wrapped around there. We hot glued them to the bottom of the bowl. And we were kind of nervous that the hot wax was going to melt the hot glue, but it did not do that for us. All right, so here's Imani's. This is like a color shift. This one was Aztec purple, and it has like blue and purple hues to it. It is really, really pretty. And she chose cinnamon, I believe, for her scent. So we're pouring half into each of the candles and just getting it mixed up before we put it into the bowl. All right, so letting her put the oils in, and then we're gonna mix up the other candle. And like I said, I would have definitely added a little bit more mica powder just because this is my first time ever making candles. We ended up seeing this on TikTok, and Melinda ran out and got all the stuff, and we set today for doing this. All right, here goes baby Kaylani. She is so cute, and she wanted apple. I don't know if that's just because she can say the word apple, but she wanted it to smell like apples. So she's going to mixy mix. She got a little lasagna left on her face from dinner. And mix up the other one. Go, baby. Go, baby. Go. She's so cute. I love that child. I love all these children's. All right, so we're going to pour that into there. And this was purple jam. This has also got like two-tone to it. Really, really cool. I'd be really interested in making candles. I wouldn't do, like, I think you should probably start out with like a clear wax. I don't know if you got to do a base color. So this color is Zaffrey. And this is one of my favorites. Ariana is on a blue kick right now. So everything blue. And we're going to let her mix that up. Go, Ari. And her scent that she chose is something cookie. I think sugar cookie or something like that. Like I said, I will link everything that we used down in the description. This probably took maybe like 30, 45 minutes. And it looks like a bubble bath. Look at there. All right, so if a 2, 4, 6, and 12-year-old can do this, so can you. All right, so now we're cutting off the excess wicks. And look at that. So cute.